Picture a bird that weighs as much as a grizzly bear cub, runs faster than a racehorse, and produces red meat healthier than beef. Right now, in America's heartland, farmers are raising millions of these prehistoric-looking creatures, and they're making more money per acre than traditional cattle ranchers. What most people don't know is that a single ostrich can generate more profit than 5 full-grown cows, and the industry is about to explode. The American ostrich industry looks nothing like what you'd expect. Instead of dusty African plains, these birds thrive in state-of-the-art facilities across Texas, Arizona, and Oklahoma. A single acre can support 10 adult ostriches compared to just 1 or 2 cattle. But here's what makes farmers take notice. Each bird produces 100 pounds of meat annually, along with 40 eggs and valuable leather. Modern ostrich farms use advanced fencing systems standing 8 feet tall. The posts are set at precise 45-degree angles because these birds, despite their size, can turn on a dime at 40 miles per hour. One wrong move in fence construction could cost a farmer their entire investment. These facilities require specialized paddock designs that most people never consider. Each breeding pair needs at least 100 square meters of space, with separate areas for feeding and nesting. The ground must be graded at a 2% slope for proper drainage, as ostriches are susceptible to foot problems in wet conditions. Farmers install specialized rubber matting in high-traffic areas, costing upwards of $200 per square meter, but saving thousands in veterinary bills. The breeding cycle starts with pair selection. Successful farmers know that genetic diversity is crucial. They maintain detailed records of bloodlines going back 5 generations. Each breeding pair is carefully matched using DNA analysis to prevent inbreeding and maximize desirable traits like growth rate and meat quality. Professional hatcheries maintain incubators at exactly 97.5 degrees Fahrenheit with 35% humidity. Every egg is turned automatically 24 times per day. 1 degree too hot or cold and the chick won't develop properly. The incubation period lasts 42 days, and during the final 3 days, workers can actually hear the chicks chirping inside their shells. The most successful farms employ advanced egg tracking systems. Each egg receives a unique barcode that monitors its position, temperature exposure, and weight loss throughout incubation. This data helps farmers achieve hatch rates of up to 90%, compared to the industry average of 60%. Modern incubation rooms use advanced air filtration systems that eliminate 99.9% of airborne pathogens. The air is completely exchanged every 15 minutes while maintaining precise temperature and humidity levels. These systems cost upwards of $50,000 but pay for themselves within 2 breeding seasons through improved hatch rates. A newly hatched ostrich chick stands as tall as a house cat and grows an inch every 3 days. These birds are eating machines, converting feed to meat more efficiently than any other land animal. While cattle need 6 pounds of feed to gain 1 pound of weight, ostriches need just 3.5 pounds. The first 6 weeks of life are crucial for ostrich chicks. They require specialized starter feed containing 22% protein and specific amino acid ratios. The temperature in brooding areas must be maintained at exactly 85 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week, then reduced by 5 degrees each week until reaching ambient temperature. Mortality rates during this period can reach 40% without proper management. Modern farms use automated feeding systems that dispense precise amounts of specially formulated feed. The mixture includes alfalfa, corn, soybean meal, and vitamins calibrated for each growth stage. Computer-controlled feeders adjust portions based on real-time weight data, ensuring optimal growth rates while minimizing waste. Growth tracking uses RFID technology embedded in leg bands. These devices transmit real-time data about each bird's movement patterns, feeding frequency, and weight gain. Advanced software analyzes this information to predict potential health issues before they become visible to human observers. Unlike traditional livestock, ostriches are remarkably resistant to disease. They don't require routine antibiotics, making them perfect for the organic meat market. However, their legs need special attention. These birds can kick with 2,000 pounds of force, enough to seriously injure themselves or their handlers. Professional farms install rubber matting in high-traffic areas and maintain strict protocols for handling birds. Workers use special curved shields during close contact, and all interaction is minimized during breeding season when the birds are most aggressive. Veterinary care focuses primarily on preventive measures. Monthly soil testing ensures proper pH levels to prevent bacterial growth. Farmers rotate paddocks every 2 weeks to break parasite cycles naturally. Advanced farms use thermal imaging cameras to detect inflammation in legs and joints before lameness develops. Modern processing facilities use specialized equipment designed specifically for ostriches. The meat is deep red, similar to beef, but with less fat and more protein. Each bird produces about 75 pounds of premium cuts like fan fillet, oyster cuts, and inside strips. Quality control systems use ultrasound technology to measure meat characteristics before processing. This allows precise grading and sorting of cuts based on tenderness, marbling, and protein content. The data helps farmers adjust their breeding programs to produce birds that better meet market demands. The hide processing requires specialized tanning methods. Ostrich leather is known for its distinctive quill pattern and durability. Premium-grade leather can fetch up to $250 per square foot in the luxury goods market. Even the fat is valuable. Cosmetic companies pay premium prices for ostrich oil, which contains rare omega fatty acids. The American ostrich market is experiencing unprecedented growth. Restaurant demand for ostrich meat has increased 300% in the past 5 years. Health-conscious consumers are switching to this lean alternative, which has less fat than chicken but tastes similar to high-grade beef. Current production can't keep up with demand. American farms supply less than 20% of domestic ostrich meat consumption, with the rest imported from South Africa and Australia. This supply gap represents a massive opportunity for new farmers entering the market. The industry is also seeing rapid technological advancement. Artificial intelligence systems now monitor bird behavior 24/7, using machine learning to predict health issues and optimize breeding pairs. Some farms are experimenting with automated harvesting systems that reduce stress on both birds and workers. While American ostrich farming is booming, a new technology threatens to reshape the entire industry. Scientists have discovered a way to double meat production using a technique that's stirring up massive controversy. Next time, we'll reveal this breakthrough and why it's keeping traditional ostrich farmers awake at night.